Hi everyone. I am here with one coding question from Tech Mahindra. I don't remember in which year this question was asked, but it was there in my collection. So I thought it is very important and every student must practice this kind of questions. So this is basically on strings. This is on encryption and decryption concept. The question goes like this. Alice sent a secret message to Bob. Alice sent a secret message to Bob in encrypted form. Encrypted. Encryption is nothing but converting the original text or straight English text into ununderstandable form. So that secrecy of the message will be maintained. So that is nothing but encryption. Encrypted form. Bob must decode the message and read it. I mean, he to know what Alice has sent, he has to decode that message. Then, how this Alice has prepared that encrypted message? Alice prepared encrypted message by replacing each letter in the original text with the letter at three positions towards the left. For example, A is replaced with X, D is replaced with A, and so on. So, what the problem statement says is, if A is there, that will be replaced with X. How we get X? For example, if we consider A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So this is the alphabet, and when A is there, it is to be replaced with X. So how we got this X? So left rotate. That means even if A is at first position, there will be no left element actually. We have to circularly move to the right side. So what is the third position from there? The third position is X. Okay. So D is replaced with A. So this is the logic. That means we have to circular rotate this alphabet and then take care of this conversion. That is the point here. That is the very important point. Can you help Bob decrypt the text and retrieve the original text? So we have to write code for decrypting the given encrypted text and retrieve the original text. What is the input? The input will be the decrypted text. That means some string in encrypted, sorry, the input is encrypted text. That is nothing but some string in encrypted form. Output, the string in original form. Next, one example is given, NRFZH. NRFZH. And the output, the corresponding output is quick. QUICK. How can we get this quick from this messages? So let us have the same alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, like that. N. N is here. Where is Q? It is towards its right. It is in third position towards right. R is to be replaced with U. Where is R here? U. U is at third position towards right from R. So for encryption, what Alice did is left rotate by three positions. For decryption, what we need to do? Right rotate by three positions. Okay. So if you write rotate by 3 positions, we can retrieve the original text. That is the point here. Okay. So I am going to write Python code for this one. The logic for the code goes like this. First, I will read input. What is the input? Encrypted text. Next, what I will do is, I will create this alphabet array, alphabet list. I will create alphabet. How would I create alphabet? We have the knowledge of this ASCII characters. We have the knowledge of ASCII characters. So one thing I forgot to mention here is, in the original coding problem, it is mentioned like all letters are lowercase. All letters are in lowercase. So that was the assumption in original problem. I forgot to quote here. So alphabet equal to, I will create alphabet list like A, B, C, D, etc. up to Z. Next, I will be doing rotation. I will create one rotate list. So how would I create that rotate list? Just a minute. How would I create that rotate list? Sorry. I will create rotate list using list slicing, and I will move the elements by 3 positions towards right. That is like circular rotation, circular right rotation by 3 positions. So for this I will be using list slicing. So I will rotate this alphabet by 3 positions. So how would I do that? With the help of list slicing. This is the next step. In fourth step, what I will do is, for every character in the encrypted text, for each char in input or encrypted text, what we will do is, what will be its index in alphabet? That corresponding character from rotate should be taken into decrypted text. Decrypted text equal to decrypted text plus, that means plus equal to. So initially we will take decrypted text as empty string plus equal to rotate of alphabet dot index of char. Okay, so finally display the decrypted text. Print decrypted text. Print decrypted text. So this is the logic I am going to implement. Okay. So what is the first step? Read the input, create an alphabet list, then create a rotate list. Rotate list will be the alphabet list circularly rotated by 3 positions towards right. Then construct the decrypted text by taking each and every character from the input. So each and every character's position in alphabet and the corresponding element in rotate will be added to decrypted text and finally display decrypted text. So this is the logic I am going to implement. Let us quickly look at the program. I will write the program quickly. Let us have a look at this. Encrypted text equal to read from the user input, then create alphabet array. How to create this? I will be using char function chri for I in range 97 comma 123. How I am giving 97 comma 123 is 97 is the ASCII code for small a, 122 is the ASCII code for small z. I am giving one value more to that because of this range function. So range function stops at 122. Okay. So chr function, it will convert the ASCII code into character in Python. So that's why I have used chr function. So with the help of list comprehension, I have constructed or I have created alphabet list. So if you print alphabet, it will display the letters from A to Z. Okay, they will be in list form. Now I will be creating rotate list. Rotate equal to alphabet. So I am taking the help of Python's list slicing. So we clearly know that three positions to be moved towards right. So this is right circular rotation. So list slicing gives a big help here. It makes our job very easy. In other programming languages, we have to do it very manually and that consumes some amount of time and some steps. Rotate is alphabet 3 colon plus alphabet colon 3. That means the first three characters, sorry, uh, the alphabet list will be considered from third character onwards. Third in the sense 0, 1, 2, the yeah, third character onwards, and yeah, and the first three characters will be attached at the end. Okay, so next, what we what is the fourth step I have mentioned in the algorithm? So we will be constructing decrypted text. Now for I in decrypted text, so here I will be taking some constraints into account. So what is that constraint? Suppose the text will not be always a single word. The message Alice sends to Bob may not be always a single word. So it could be a group of words separated by space, or it could be some sentences. So in that case, we have to take care of space in between the words also. If I equal to space, don't do anything, keep it as it is. Plus equal to I, just I, else decrypted text plus equal to what should I do? I should consider this rotate list. In that one I must consider, what is this one? Alphabet dot index of the position of I in alphabet will be retrieved and the corresponding position in rotate is considered to get the corresponding letter. Okay, so that is the logic here. Then finally print decrypted text. Okay, so this is the code. Let us run this one. Yeah, so what is the input they have given? NRFZH. Let us give the same. If our code is working properly, we must get quick as the output. Oh, what's wrong here? Decrypted text is decrypted text plus alphabet dot index of I. Oh, why we are not able to print the output? Oh yeah, one mistake I did is I didn't mention this rotate as a list. Yeah, let me print alphabet. Let me print this rotate. Rotate is also printed. Why this decrypted text is not getting printed? Sorry, this is encrypted text. NRFZH. Yeah, now it is coming. So what is the mistake I have done here? Instead of considering encrypted text, I took decrypted text. Okay, so now all these are not necessary. Let me remove them. Yeah, let me run the code again. NRFZH. Yeah, we got the answer quick. Okay, so this should work for the text that contains spaces also. Okay, so I hope you understood the code, you understood the logic behind this, and how we can exploit this list slicing for this circular rotation. So if you have to do left circular rotation, we can use -3 here, -3 colon and colon -3. So that should work for left circular rotation also. Okay. I hope you understood the code, and if you liked the code, please like the video and subscribe. Okay.